Welcome back. In this video, I'm picking up where we left off. We created an Excel table in the last video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table and pivot chart to help you with the homework assignment. So where we left off is we had this Excel table, we had added a total column. First thing I want to do is take the filtering off the store postcode. So I'm going to click on this and choose select all. Make sure that we have all the data in here. Then I'm going to go to Insert and Pivot Table. For this homework assignment, you only want to look at store postcode and retail price. So I'm going to just choose those two columns. And then you want it to put it in a new worksheet, so just leave the default and press OK. And then over here, I'm going to choose store postcode and retail price. You notice now we have this pivot table that's listing every single store, and it's giving us the sum of the retail price, which is actually not what we want. We want the average. And the way that we're going to change that is down on the bottom right. You'll see under Values column, it has sum of retail price. I'm going to click on that down arrow and go to Value Field Settings, and then I'm going to choose Average instead of Sum, and click OK. So now I have the correct data. For your homework assignment, you're going to want to use a pivot chart. So from here, I'm just going to click on Pivot Chart, and I'm just going to use the default, which is the clustered column, and press OK. You should get something that looks like this, that will allow you to easily see which stores are the highest performing. So I've basically done the first part of the homework for you for that question. The second part is you need to do a box plot. So I've actually I've provided a video made by another instructor on how to do box plots. And that's right underneath this video in this week's module. So please, if you have trouble with the box plots, please go ahead and watch that video. It's showing you how to do it using XLMiner. So you do need to have XLMiner installed, or you need to access the virtual machine. If you need access to the virtual machine, please email me and I'll be happy to set you up with an account. Best of luck with your homework this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to post on the discussion boards for Ask Your Professor or send me an email. Have a good week.